tape. Gaza no rape. All the girls see me and she can't hold her head straight.
Get ready.
So straight nation boss, you're not gonna burn Sizzla upon this.
Mr. Sign Language Man. Mr. Sign Language Man.
We see a turbulence, poor turbulence. Turbulence, call the person and say, come here my youth.
Watch your speech. Dominica me a rich.
Don't eyeball me, boy. You know what I mean? So I used to yo.
What him, mister? What him?
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. There again with our next update for in the family right before the storm. You me telling you, make sure you're safe and secure. So that this one will have Vybz Kartel a premiere a new hit song from the IG the people. Yo, that one that sound like it gone already and it they even drop.
I the teacher. I burn weed, bowl of vibes and the vibes like 6. I really give me a light. Hold on, it a tape. Gaza no rape. All the girls see me and she can't hold her head straight. The younger man will go wild and escape. And go king left me do now but make a sex tape. But me believe in a God so much. If me can't have gas, me still a rev it with faith. Born hungry, you coulda seen me rib stage. Show me out in the world, I shell every big stage. Roll.
So I know one thing about teacher new hit song people. Yeah man, the rhythm there with the it have a vibes in it, it have a bounce in it. Me I tell you, yo, the rhythm does a bounce and teacher does a flow with the lyrics. It connect already, man now grown on the people, me rate it. So now while we have teacher drop hit song, him on him way over there to a show in Dominica as well. We see where Nuffy and the whole Gaza team link up and roll a flight and reach over to Dominica.
Dominica. You know me a rich, right? I know the contract no breach, right? Watch your speech. Dominica me a rich. There. One general, you know we are forward, right? Yo, ready now. Look. In a airport. You know Dominica. You know me a forward, right? You know the thing said. You ready? Yo, ready now. Outside. Call fly blue jet. Dominica, one teacher, one general, one boss, one world boss. Dominica, we are forward. What a show. Yo, you should know. Yo. Can I play?
So that a MC Nuffy and the Gaza team are link up people. You see Spice one at the time, Richie Feelings, you know a Spice selected that, and also ZJ Chrome, you don't know a Kartel selected that. So everybody a link up for go over there in a Dominica for the show this weekend. So you know, say yo, a mad thing over there. So while we're on the topic of Gaza, we come across a video with our ex-teacher's pet. Yeah man, member from Teacher's Pet. She did name Ashley. She did on Teacher's Pet from them time there. She dropped a video recently and show you the transformation and just talk about her whole experience with the show and Vybz Kartel. Check it out.
I was actually on a reality show 14 years ago. It was a big deal because it was for a huge Jamaican dancehall artist named Vybz Kartel. The long story short here is that I was on his reality show 14 years ago. He got locked up, went to prison 14 years. He's out now, doing tours, concerts, selling out stadiums. I mean, Scotiabank had to add a third show because this is how big he is. And, you know, yeah, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. So the girls were like, we're gonna like threaten you. Like we've already been telling you to, as you can see, yes, my coworker is like threatening me. If any of you who's watched Teacher's Pet, which, you know, is the show, I kind of went like was really low key after it. I think I tripped out after watching it. I was like, okay, you know, I got some weird comments. I got some love too, but you know, a lot of like hate and just, I don't know, fucking weird vibes. So did this reality show. I made it relatively far.
I'm not here to start drama. I'm not here to be involved in any drama. I just want to get to know him.
Considering, I think to like the last episode, I had a great relationship with him. Like we were cool, we would kick it. I mean, I have memories of watching like Home Alone and Karate Kid in my room. I don't know if he'll remember that, hopefully, but you know, we had like great rapport and it was a fun experience, like one of the coolest experiences of my life. When I came back to Toronto, we were BBMing, yes, BBMing, again, my age is showing, and he was like, come watch first episode with me. And then, you know, I was going to, you can ask fucking my best friend. She was like, you have to go, you have to do it. And I was like, okay, cool, but then he got arrested. And so, you know, it's a whole thing. People to this day recognize me. I went to my sister's wedding in Jamaica a couple months ago. Everyone's like, Ashley, teach us, but you know, like it's a whole thing. I got a lot of weird hate and comments because, you know, I was the big fluffy gal back in, you know, 2014, whatever year it was that came out. And so I had to deal with all that, like, you know, representing for the big girls, is that cool? So nothing can bother me now. My team is telling me to stop. Story time, done. Long story short, this is what it is. Thank you. See you later. Mwah. Goodbye.
So that Ashley from the Teacher's Pet Show people. You know, that was the hit show from Vybz Kartel with all the female contestants them. Did a vie for actually be in a relationship with Vybz Kartel. Yeah man, it was a good show, but you know how that they really end up on the whole thing go. So now we're gonna segue over to one Kevin. He might blaze a fire over Foota hype side, you know. He must say right now Foota fair forward out and a bun Sizzla. Reason being, recently Sizzla keep him 30th anniversary show, and on the stage he made have an interpreter for the deaf people them. And it happens to be that the interpreter, she dressed a bit tomboy, so people have it to say, yo, she gone the other way and things. So one Kevin forward out and blaze a fire upon Foota hype, basically. You have to go hear the reasoning, people.
Anybody go around Foota hype get salt. Sizzla Kolonji did they in a one dance with Foota hype. And it look like they shake hand because Foota hype did this on the internet. And when they see each other in person, them throw it away. Right? Alright. So that fix. And this broken. Sizzla 30th anniversary. What we supposed to celebrate Sizzla 30th anniversary in a dance hall. We now have to talk about the batty girl with the on stage. Now, we have Miss Jamaica. Right? And Miss Jamaica is a woman. We have a queen of Jamaica now. Spice is a woman. Now, people. What going over here, so? Auntie Dana, they have fear show. And she have for the best dressed woman. And it was a male. Dressed like a female. And that's who she chose to give the best dressed woman. So you tell me you don't have no love for woman no more. And them shit up people that wanna push out there. What going over here, so Jamaica? So straight nation boss, you're not gonna bun Sizzla upon this. Yeah, cause we are wait for your buns. Yeah, you see like you love come out, the people them say must to talk about it. One Kevin say if you talk about this. Go talk about it. Because come like say, once you want somebody a friend, you're the bun fire upon them. Because you have some bag of people with their own you. And fish been calling on them name so much that I just fishnet alone we need to call them. Our fish hook. Cause them run through the whole fish book. And you and them apart. So talk to we now. Not no straight about Foota hype, all in mouth lean.
So you hear the reasoning from one Kevin the saying of people. And basically a call out Foota hype for selective fire burning. Basically, you see me? He must say, yo, how come Sizzla nah get the touch based on the situation now, what they go up on stage and how Foota really run film straight nation camp. As you can see, Foota hype they come out with a live, but him just silent right through on the live. Him never really said nothing. But in the post I comment earlier before and I say, yo, him shame based on what happened and transpire. It must say, yo, him shame and things, so him just a hold it, you see me?
No.
Foota hype might be silent on the issue,
you know what,
but we have Neako fire forward out and a bona fire directly on Sizzla. Based on what him see on stage, he must say, yo, him loser for the DJ star.
You make me know that with no badness thing as a juvenile. And pre-meditation, simplicity we used to survive. Black woman and child. Woman I need you like never before. I walk one. Me I watch the show and me see one big old transmission on stage. But I artist them, when the artist them I perform and I do the sign language thing for the deaf community. Me not no problem with that part there, because I understand. But why a transmission of you up there? Rasta sitting. So couple days ago Dana do fear thing when she said she a Christian and give big transmission in a dress, best dress. And now me I see the Rasta Sizzla Colonji with big transmission on stage. Me see a turbulence, poor turbulence. Turbulence, call the person and say, come here my youth.
Mr. Sign Language Man. Mr. Sign Language Man. Let me hear if you can't do this. No, let me see if you can't do this. Valiant! One again. Valiant! Big up yourself.
Come here, man. Swear is a man. And even know say it's a big butch transmission. Yo, not yo, man, yo, Sizzla, what go on? No, man, me hurt. Me hurt. Me hurt. Yo, me hurt, man. Yo, Rasta stage, you know, brother. So you say, me say you to go for Bobo Hill more time, go hold my reference. So you say, me can go for Bobo Hill, go expect Cosibal boy now, battery ride up there, and stacking, and tights. Don't be a fucker, go on, this is a culture, yeah, man. Me alone can't burn the fire, man. No, man, no look good, Sizzla, man. Me I tell you, Sizzla, you no look good. And you're my artist. And I rate you. You know I rate you. You don't look good, dada. You don't look good. Rasta, you don't look good.
So on to the next topic now. We have Shaggy. Mr. Bombastic himself found out in a recent interview, and basically I go over how him really fired up with the voice if he can deliver so much hit song throughout the years, people.
You know, I got this voice because I was in the military and I was doing used to have these drill instructors, and they talk to you like this. Hey, yo, you know, hey boy. They put a whole persona on. Dude, they would just change in front of you. Like, I'm like, yo, but you were just talking mad soft to me a little while ago. You know, it's like, don't eyeball me, boy. You know what I mean? So I used to hey, yo, dude. So I used to just literally just mock them because I was like the clown in the platoon. I was mock. You don't eyeball me, boy. You better drop it, give me 10. All right, you gonna do push-ups till I'm tired. So I used to just do that. And then they call me to sing cadences. So I go out, I don't know, but I've been told my CEO wears pantyhose. I just did that.
This was marching.
Yeah, wow, which would be running. We'd be running and singing cadences.
Yeah.
And I just do that as a fun gag. But little did I know that was like
training your voice.
So that a Shaggy people
I
give him rundown for
the experience
in the US military, and also
I used to just literally just
them that we know today. So if you never sure Shaggy
I was like
in the US military before he become a huge international superstar. Yeah, man. So now we are check out Valiant. We see him over there on tour in a Toronto, people. A shell long a stage show. Well, man.
She love it cocky when she got my Just wanna live in a world, girl. Hold me and show them. Listen, I saw the liver white coat, take a feeling my road, yeah, my chick. I'm pushing out jams and your body look fine. Your body look bad, girl. She get my rules. She don't, she has some kind of food. She get bright, but she get my mood. I can't talk to my girl, them no fun. Hey, girl, baby, you know the fuck. You know you might, bitch, you might fuck. Oh, baby, go down. Oh, baby, go down. Oh, baby, go down.
Yeah, people, Valiant, I rough up that stage show them, man. I nah lie, the interaction with the crowd too as well, did spot on, you know. I like that interaction them I see I go on with the crowd and thing. So you know, so your people them, I enjoy themselves and I get them money's worth. Very good look. So while we have Valiant in a Toronto, Shelley, we have Konshens over there in Kenya. Yeah, man, if you don't know, Konshens are a big star in the African country them too. Over there in Kenya, people them rate him and love his music. If you don't believe me, check out this.
Give me this, give me this, give me this. Pass it, pass it, pass it.
Baby water. Oi, don't go over the center. Hold him, Rasta. Hold him.
You see the amount of flood waters on the road already, people, and the storm they even reach Jamaica good. You can imagine when it reach Jamaica, what really I go on. We have to just be vigilant and remain safe, you know, because we see where it are more violent already. Already take a life of an elderly man in a 80. Very, very sad news. My condolences to the family there and the friends of that past one. So we have to just remain vigilant on our side and stay safe, you know, protect our friends and our loved ones and everything. Yeah, man. So if you make it through to the end of the video, people, we just want to big up and telling you thanks for watching the entire episode. See you in our next one. Mad.